Hey everybody, it's the Mobile Home Mama here. I just was out in the lot running around and I jumped in this home, and I'm going to tell you that at first I thought, what in the world are they doing with these colors? And then I got a total cabin-y vibe when I got in here. So it's really growing on me. I like what they did with the brown. You're going to see dark tobacco, not the stuff you smoke, but it's actually the color of our floor on the floor, and desert springs on the countertop. And here, notice they did round the edges of the countertop, so that looks really nice. And up here, they did some staggered cabinetry. You'll see how these two cabinets right here are dipping lower than that one. That's called staggered cabinetry. We've got a laminate backsplash here to protect your walls from water coming out of the sink. This is actually 16 by 76 Pokagon, one of the very first homes that I ever built and sold. And it used to be a show home here, not once, but twice. So we kept it for a few years, and it did so well that we brought it back. So one of our very popular floor plans. Timberwolf on the cabinets. Here's the black appliance package over under refrigerator. Looks like they did the gas stove with the hood on top. Dishwasher over here. Check out this island. We've got 4 cabinets in the island. And inside of the island, you're going to see there's plenty of storage there for your pans or your crock pots, whatever you want to do. Now, in this floor plan, I'm a big fan of enlarging these windows over here. But I like how they did the accent wall here in the living room. And then notice they did this wall and this wall with no accent wall. So you got it right when you walk in, and then encasing the entire kitchen over here. So I love that. Coming into the master bedroom, this is a nice spacious home, 1,155 square feet. Now, you can opt for a hutch right here if you wanted to. Also, I could do a TV wall brace where I would put an electrical outlet there as well as a TV jack. This one has a very deep master closet. So bright out here today, I don't have my flash on, so hope this is okay. And one of our only single wide floor plans where you're going to get a double sink. Now, this is standard in this home. So we've got 2 sinks there, comes with 2 mirrors there, 3 bulb light strips up there, and plenty of room to walk around. You'll see over here they opted for just the tub shower combination, but we could do a walk-in shower, no problem. We could also do a tiled shower. Here we've got a linen pantry, and let's head to the other end of the house. See, I don't know about you guys, but the colors just kind of grow on you after you're in here for a moment. All right. And I love how this little archway is right there. I don't know why. Furnace on the way. Electrical panel box. Here's the first spare bedroom. It's probably a 9 by 9, I would say. I don't have my floor plan in front of me. This is the laundry area. They've opted for washer dryer cabinets. Here's the other spare bedroom. So we do have a split floor plan here with bedrooms on each end of the home, and this is the second bath. All right, we're winding down our summer. We've got a couple of nice days happening out there, and then we're gonna switch gears and chill out a little bit for a chilly October. So I've had a great year, and I'm so excited to be with you guys. You've really shown up and shown out on my YouTube page, and I just appreciate you so much. I know we're going to have a fantastic 2024, but let's finish off 2023. Come on, guys, come visit me. Let me see your faces. Lots of you stop by, lots of you give me calls, and I sure am so grateful. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.